Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Cinema HD on Android TV. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your apps and go to the browser of choice. I'll go to Google. So on Google, I'm going to type in Cinema HD app. So that's the suggestion right there. And I have Cinema HD movies here. Clicking on it, you want the link that has pay.google.com. So when you click on that link, click on the install button right here. And after a few seconds, you find this app downloading to your Android TV, and when it downloads, give it a couple of seconds to install. The whole process is automatic, so just be patient and wait. Depending on internet speed, it may take you a couple of seconds or just under a minute. So if you found this valuable, if you found it insightful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with more content like this.